Alright, so I used this last night and it worked great. I used it this morning. I thought everything was good. I came back to make some more and I went to clean it out. I pulled everything apart and I found this piece of glass sitting on top right here. So I come back to the percolator. Sure enough, it came off this knob. Second use. And I had it on to boil and then turned it down super low, so there's no reason for this. I don't know if I got any glass in me because I drank my coffee. I mean, it was delicious. Great. What am I supposed to do with this? Help me out here, Amazon. This is very dangerous.
Stand here just to get it to boil and then turn it down. I see this coffee pot ending up on its side is what's going to happen. The bottom's not flat. It's brand new. Just got it. Received it yesterday. Opened it this morning and this is what I picked. So no, I wouldn't say 5 stars.
This is after the second use. I don't know why. This is the second use, actually. After the first use, this thing is bebopping around like it's cheaply made. I don't see a heavy-duty bottom on it, nothing. Heavy-duty bottom shouldn't be doing this. So that's why it's only getting 2 stars.
Este es el tamaño del garrafón. Es para 3 personas o 4 personas. No es tan grande como parece, pero es de buena calidad. Bueno, así yo lo usé porque traía una cosa adentro. Yo lo quité y así me gusta.